Hello, today I will be telling you how you can convert your PDF file to an Excel file. So first I will create an Excel file and then I will convert into PDF, and at last I will convert that PDF into an Excel file just to show whole steps. So I will name this testing and I will create two tables in order to show you. So I will be creating two tables randomly and assigning them values. Okay, now we have created the table successfully, so we will create an additional table also just behind this. And we'll give them another alphabet letters just to differentiate them. Okay, I will save this file as PDF. And saving the file. Okay, now we are having the PDF file and we are ready to start this. Now open your Google Chrome browser and type Adobe PDF to Excel. I will be giving the direct link in the description also. Okay. So you need to click convert PDF to Excel online for free, Adobe, and you can put your file here in order to convert. So I will be putting this testing file and will take few seconds to convert. Successfully converted. Now I will download in order to show that file has been successfully converted into an Excel file. We'll open the file, and yeah, it is exactly the same file which we have converted earlier into the PDF. So now it is editable again.